Let me show you how to create such 3D shape using Revolve in Illustrator. Create new document. Keep fill to black. Keep stroke to none. Select rectangle tool. Drag and create strip. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy. Then press Ctrl+D to make multiple copies. Select single shape. Go to Properties. Add different colors from fill to each shape. Delete extra shapes. Drag and select all shapes. Hold Alt key and make a copy. Then press Ctrl+D to make multiple copies. Select all shapes. Go to Symbols. If it is not visible, enable it from Window. Drag and drop the shape to Symbols. Follow settings. Delete the shape. Now select Ellipse tool. Drag and hold Ctrl, Alt, Shift key to make ellipse. Keep fill color to gray. Go to Effect. From 3D in Materials, select 3D Classic. From that, select Revolve. Right-click and rotate cube to rotate object. Then set the offset. Select Map Art. Select the symbol we created. Select Scale to fit. Enable Shade Artwork. Click on OK. Our 3D object is ready. To add background, select Rectangle tool. Keep fill to black. Right-click from Arrange, select Send to Back. Go to Object. From Lock, select Selection. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.